Perfect beauty, just in the eyes of glaze. Perfect beauty, just in the eyes that glaze. Good evening, everyone. How you doing tonight? Hope everything is going great. I'm actually sober. Hi. How are you tonight? If you love me, you love me. If you don't love me, you don't have to come. You don't have to stay. Remember, I know you hate me because I'm beautiful. You hate me cause I'm beautiful, honey. Oh, you hate me cause I'm gorgeous. I'm fabulous. Fabulous is not the word, honey. I'm a Barbie doll. Yeah, baby. Look at my blue blonde. Look at my blue eyebrows and fleeks, honey. That's what we say, Hollywood. I tell you, baby, I'm going now. One step at a goddamn time. How you doing? Hello. I'm always washing my crotch. I have to put clothes on, honey. I'm a celebrity. Hello. I know, believe me. You know, I went to the store to get some food, you know. I didn't know I got my jacket on. And I ran into that lady that was at the studio, was making my boss, friend or girlfriend, I don't know. And she's like, that's a star, you know. And this man was like, you know, saying something to me. And she's like, then it's like, really? And he just want to go on YouTube right away to look at me. It's like, she's funny already. And it's like, yeah, whatever. Yeah. So, hi, guys. Blue, yes. I'm having a bit of problem. I'm going to confess. Fess, baby. You know, I love me some BB. And BB, you know I love you too, BB. But the only thing I don't like about goddamn BB, you be doing too much now, BB. Slow down, girl. Or slow down, boy. Whoever you is, BB, slow the hell down. First of all, I'll be buying new stuff. Every time BB stuff come out, I'll be buying the underwear, the bras, and they have a nice like a swag and style to them sometime, you know what I mean? Nice. So I went and I saw, you know, the BB. This one is a BB, you know, and it got like embroidery and it's like a one piece. It's really sexy and it's really cute and it's like lace, you know? And it made like with a natural color piece right here, like a see-through, and then the piece like lace across the blue, and it's very, very beautiful, right? And I love BB, right? And it's actually like a one piece. It's a one piece. As you could see, the material very beautiful. It's a one piece. So what happened? You know, I bought it from the store and. I rinse it with my hand and put it up, you know, to dry and put it in my drawer and put it away. Anyway, as I'm about to get dressed, I said to myself after taking a shower, I should just put on that, you know, and just put it up because it's cute and then just pull this over it. 1, 2, 3, I'm done. You know, you have the bra piece and the panty piece all in one. When I look up for a bra in a panty right now, just put on it and put on it, right? Okay. Next thing I know, I'm putting on my clothes and I'm pulling up. And I heard like something, like fall through something, you know. And when I turn around, my butt fall right through. I don't know, the material just come right apart. So as I'm talking to you, as I'm standing here, The butt part look like a dog just come and rip it out. That's what I'm wearing right now, my nigga. All of yours eat out, man. It's ripped off. Piece of it must be right here and a piece down here eat off, tear up. And I said to myself, I'm not going to take time to take this shit back off. You can see I'm not lying because if you look at the back, you can see the piece you tear off to look. See it there? See it up there? See? Just like that. You see it? Just disappear just like that. So, BB, you got to do better. You know, we women, we buying the underwear, we buying your stuff. You got to make, you know, use better material that won't fall apart so quickly. You know, you can't get waste. Some of the material are good that you use, but some of them is messed up like this one. You need to refund me and send me some shit, BB. God knows. You got to send me some stuff, man. And I still bought the, I still have a black and white piece that I never wear yet. I have it for months. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, so this is one of BB too, right? So you ever understand what I'm trying to say? Because some people don't know the hell she's talking about. All right. This is BB. Right? Okay? This piece goes over your neck, over your head, and this is the bra piece. Right, and this is the panty piece. There's a one piece. So stretch. That's the back. That's the front. Right, so this is a BB. So you know I've been buying BB, I'm not lying to you. So I've seen this one and I bought this one and I bought this one, the blue one, after I bought this one. I never even wear this one. You can see still probably have the tag on it. I never wear it. And it just gone already. I'm a ring, see, I end up on a hanger, and I like say, when we wear it, something just gone. This material is a bit stronger, you know, it not fall apart. The other one like this, it just fall apart. It's like, what the hell? So, BB, make sure the material you use and make it on stuff. Use good material that's strong, man. We're a strong woman, you know. Black woman got big butt. You put your butt in it, the butt fall right, you want to carry the material. Yeah, so that is the situation. So what you want to talk about tonight, and like I said, you know, when I say something, some people feel like, yeah, you know, but I'm not wrong, because if you're saying good about me, you're saying good about me. You can't be cursing somebody for me, and at the same time, you're belittling me. You're not better than the person that you're cursing for me. You're going to put on a show. So when I get on like that, I know what I'm talking about. Don't come over here and do that. Just enjoy yourself or just go. Anyway, what you want to talk about today, guys? I am here next to Miss Jamaica. Pants are dry on, so come on, man. Yeah, don't do that. Don't spoil my fashion and style, my nigga. The fashion and style. You got it. You got it, honey, you got it. So real. So real. Okay, honey. You got it. So how you guys doing this evening? Hope you're doing good now. Talk to the queen, baby. Tell me what's on the goddamn mind. Come on, talk to me. I love you too, darling. As just as much as you love me, I return that love. Oh, yeah. Hello. Hi. Yeah, my beard. I know you like the contour makeup. Isn't it fabulous? Beautiful. Hello. You bloody hairs. Don't even try it. Yeah, baby, talk to me, love. No, I'm not Madonna. I know. Yeah. I know, I love it too. It's blank blue. And you see I pull it center part. A little makeup powder and put it in. Yeah, center part there. Look good. You see the brown powder, that's really center part. Stop. Yeah. I love you too, baby. Say, I love you, baby. I love you too. Yeah, yeah, because you know, like when a lot of people come in here and they, you know, talk whatever, and I don't know what point they're trying to make, you know, like I don't know. I don't know if they know that. I'm like, yeah, you know, this breast implants they getting old, you know, but they still look good though. They still could take me to Nollywood. Or I have a lot of old necklaces. I just take one out, you know, so many. 150,000, so the money I have. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for the blue. I love blue too. Yes. Yeah, so my makeup design, I design myself. I don't want nobody be like me, try to me style him. No. Don't take my contour style. No, baby. This kind of makeup style is movie star style. And any kind of girl can pull this off, or gal, should I say. No, this is Hollywood. Don't mistake it for the dirty wood. Hollywood style. This is, you call this the blue blonde, baby. Oh, yeah. And it matches my clothes and my necklace. Look good in my eyebrows. Matches my hair. Perfectly shade. Tell me you love me, baby. Tell me now. You can tell me later if you think about it. Yeah, baby. What's going on, man? How you guys doing? How you jerking guys doing today? How much chicken did you jerk today? How many chickens you jerked today, my niggers? I love you, man. Are you stiffen up, man? Are you stiffen up? You good? You holding up good, my niggas? Yeah, man. Hold up good, my son. Hold up, man. Stay away with the Babylon, man. Nah, I mean, cook your food, work out, stay out, man. Stay cool, my nigga. Don't let they eat your flesh, my nigga. Tell you the best. Yeah. Be cool. Don't lose your life for foolishness, my nigga. Don't go to jail for stupidness, my nigga. Walk on out, man. You have your freedom. Just walk away, man. Sometimes you just gotta walk away, man. Take it from me, man. Be the bigger person and believe in God and just walk the hell away. The devil is so rampant. The devil is strong, no? Strong, I tell you. No, it's not all the time I feel like I want to be a wild beast. I just want to take the moment to love my beautiful blue blonde. I don't want the words of my mouth to define my hair. Hello. Not where I'm looking so gorgeous. Like a Betty Boo. Like a Betty Boo. Betty Boo. Yes. Betty Boo. I love it too. What you want to talk about today? Try to take it easy and slow. When I told her that I was feeling like I got poison and stuff, and I told my belly swell up, you want to see the difference now? Since I've been walking my stuff to the bathroom when I take a shower, and then I took the wash out, you want to see what I'm talking about? So I wasn't lying to you guys? Okay. And I ain't got no gurgle on now, and this thing is slack. You see the difference of the top part right here that was sold up, gone down? This was so much high up here like this, compared to the bottom. This is the way it's supposed to be if your belly fat. Down you're supposed to have the fat. Not up here so high up, so up and so. And I swell up on a pin on the rib cage. That will talk about you poisoning your stuff slowly. See? See the difference? I told you guys, I'm not stupid. That's why I gotta go and take the colon cleanse. Plus I use the Jamaican herb. And I take the Jamaican Epsom salt. Plus I think I use, what's the name of those bush again? To take toxic and poison out your system. Oh my God, what's the name of this thing again? For some reason, I don't remember the name of it. Parsley. Parsley. Yeah. Parsley. Take poison and toxic out the system. Even if you smoke or like cigarette or smoke a lot of smoke, your lungs will get clogged up and toxic too. So you must need to drink that because it clear your lungs and it helps to take poison out your body and all that stuff. Yeah. Cleans the kidney and all this stuff. Yeah, wicked people them, man. But to them I'm feeling great, but you know what? I don't want to curse. Thank God I'm alive, and you know, my lashes are blue. My eyebrows are blue and beautiful. And I don't want anyone to spoil it for me. Yeah. I love. How you doing, my beautiful people? Pick up Jamaica, England, also Toronto, also Brazil, and Europe and Puerto Rico and Guyana and Grenada and St. Vincent and St. Lucia and St. Croix and Dallas, Texas, Florida in the house, always New Jersey, all the way in Baltimore. Pick up yourself in Chicago. Also, all over the world, you all pick up yourself in Africa, all the way in France, and all those places in Italy, in Hong Kong, in Pakistan, all the way in Arab country. You all pick up yourself, Arab guys. You know I love you, man. Just be cool, my niggas. Don't send too much jerking, you know, the chicken, you know what I mean? But I love you all, you know, we all human beings, you know. And we are all here to live our life and to be happy and to be funny. And, yeah. So God is good. I'm feeling fantastic. Thank you. I love you too. London, big up your God himself, London. Hello, London. How are you doing today? Pick up yourself in the house. You know, when you come through, pick up yourself. You know what I mean? Always love London, pick up yourself. Hey, darling, big up yourself too. Yeah, Africa, big up your guy himself. Africa, motherland, Mother Nature, big up your damn self. Big up yourself, Tasha, big up yourself. I look good, honey. Honey, I don't even care if I look good or look bad, as long as I feel good. Well, thank you. You just joining watching from London? Pick up yourself, honey. I didn't block that girl last night, even though she was cursing, saying some things I didn't like what she's saying. We gonna curse her out, but say what I gotta say. I was done with it, but she was cursing on somebody else for me, but at the same time, she was saying things that wasn't nice about me. You know what I mean? But that's how it is. It's just how people are. They're just different. I can't tell you. Can't tell people what to do. They just do what the hell they want to do. Yeah. Big up yourself, Tohan. God bless you too. Joel, big up yourself. Much love. Yes, baby. You better tell them. I am the new Jamaican Barbie doll. Jamaica. I'm your beautiful Barbie doll. And I'm going to look for a Barbie doll boyfriend that could plant yam and cocoa. Dig up the dasheen. Boil down the coconut juice. Let me feel hungry now, man. I can't think about these things, man. Let me feel hungry, man. Just like that, I start thinking about the food. I get hungry. I ain't nothing yet, man. I tried the chicken and rice. I tried to eat some of the rice. It tastes so bad, I couldn't deal with it no more. I tried the chicken and I tried the rest of the rice. I was like, I can't eat stale shit. I can't do it, man. I eat an apple and I ate the right banana. What else? And that's it. Drink a lot of water. My stomach was still flushing today. Yeah, I love you too. Yes, baby, true Barbie doll. You better tell them, look at the powder on the side. You better make them know. Hello. Got the breast implant a couple years ago for $7,000. That's when I did Blacktail magazine. I did them a long time ago, and I paid $7,000. I did an implant and a lift, and put it in because I ain't got ours so small. I was 34B, and I moved to 36 double D. Hello, and you know the stomach is gonna go, but I'm still fabulous. Still fabulous, honey. The cheeks are still right. Oh, yeah, baby. I know you like to look at my bum bum. Look at my bum 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 bum. Yeah, not much farting tonight. The gas is all out. They were busting shot in the bathroom like from last night. The gas is all out, man. All this stuff. Feeling great now, you know. Oh, yeah. Don't worry. They won't smell anything coming to the phone even if I farted. Y'all getting nervous like it's going to come to the phone and break the screen and get to you. Hell no. It's not going to happen. Trying to be decent here. Thank you. Yeah. So what's going on with your life? What you really want to talk about? Because I don't like coming here not talking about something. I have to talk. I'm a talkative. And yeah, my tongue never sits, you know, one place in my mouth. It's always moving around what I'm eating and I'm talking. That's the two best thing I does in life is talk and eat and sing, you know, my music, you know. And like I said, you know, I do a lot of music, as people know. And the last time I post one of the video from here that I was with you guys dancing and singing, and I get strike on my own music, and I was like, how do you like get strike on my own music? And so that's why I don't play it in here, because I don't know who are setting me up to strike me and whatever rhythm I work on, and then messed up my stuff altogether for whatever reason. So that's why I don't play the CD, you know, until I know what's going on. Yeah, I used to could, but not anymore. There's a restriction on it. I don't know why. So basically, you know, I don't have a problem because I'm a music maker. You know, I am like a radio when it comes to music, so I'm good. I don't have no problem at all. And I have all my songs. I know all my songs, beautiful songs. And you know I love my songs. I write some great songs, you all must admit, right? when mad people are come and go. Are they mad? When I come talk about me mad, are they mad? Look at and look good. I don't want to come bad mind. Just because I'm like a blonde. Blue ear shine. No man them do bad mind. Sometimes you have to call them out even though you don't want to be bad, you know. Because you want to, you know, be decent sometime and act like you're a natural human being. You don't have to be all nasty all the time. And these mothers can't. But you know, it's alright. Let them go and be mad. Because if they have the time to come and be mad at me, I must be doing something great, honey. You better tell me about it. You better, if people ain't mad at you for nothing, honey. When they got it jealous because you have a little powder on your hair side, just a little powder, damn cheap wig, they want to kill you. Hello. I tell you, my $15 wig. No, you're rude. Y'all is so damn rude. You know, these are hard to find. You don't find this really. When I get it for a price, I jump like I hear news because I love these. They did not know more, you know, so. About the lost tree that they have. Yes, I have more color in it. I'm not that damn fool to just have one piece. I love it. Oh, no, you're going to be tired of me with this shit. I don't want him to die because I'm going to wear them in the summer, too. So I don't want him to go. Because it's hard to get this color like this color, just like that. You know, it's hard to get it. Trust me. We don't know black, another color, just like that. It's hard. It's not a lace front. That's why I even buy it, because of the color. Cry if you want to cry. That's your business. My contour makeup look good, though. You know, anybody would take me on a date right now. Take me all the way to Hollywood, baby. Then I come up and say Devlin, I'm on here. I mean, it's so weird. Then I'm looking at my own here. I look black like Devlin. I mean, yeah, fucking Satan, man. Sometimes I look dark. Satan are coming here. I'm gonna get no money yet. My hair change color. Supposed to make at least 2 million before it up coming here. Oh, this one. Okay. Who this? Who you say wicked game out you feel you pass 45, get off the internet, please. Who you attack to me? How could me attack? I must drink or batty while you soak. No, I drank or you give blowjob. I could me attack to. No, you couldn't so bright. After me come out so beautiful and bland, and if I'm my own sitting at my own sitting, you got to me pass 45, me 43. If you want to know. I couldn't me attack to, so I'm not answer because I'm too important for answer you right now. I look too good. I'm a star. I can't bother with you. I can't bother with you right now. I forgot Hollywood. I can't bother stop it. I can stop me from go fucking Hollywood. No, babe, I forgot Hollywood. I'm sorry. I can't make you stop me. No way, I'm going to stop me from go Hollywood tonight. No, sir. No way. You want to be noticed on my line. You want to be noticed on my line. Come off, boy, and go suck swine. And for you notice, you come up on my line. Go on to me and go suck swine. Ow. Goddamn. Fucking muscle can't trap my foot. Damn. Should I exercise to them? Exercise to them. Muscle squeeze up, man. Damn. Why? Try again. Damn it, them big. drop it so like 10 pounds. I am buying each one of them. But me, I tell them it's strong, you know, boy, I tell her, God, when if you kill me, go and take a while, so I did it and I come strong. That's why. Yeah, man. Damn, I need a pedicure again, man. I'm toast out of the girls. Stay again, my nigga. I need to go. Yeah. Give me your loving. I want your loving. Give me your loving. I want your love. I want your loving. Give me your loving. Hollywood, I go and I can't stay there and laugh like a thing like that. Oh, God. Stretch up the big foot then, man. That's how you do it nice and sweet, you know. If you can't stretch your leg, them have to sit in a position right. You can't be lazy. Man, get soft by you and gone through the door, nigga. Real quick, nigga, get soft like I'm out of here, man. This shit is like, yeah, I can't deal with it. Can't deal with it. What is one? Let's go. Let's go, Mayo. Let's go, man. Stop paying fucking stupid people attention. Come on, let's go. What's the next star, and so? I forgot Hollywood. I forgot damn, I put them in the stretch out the next one. No, sir. I broke my one foot out like a feel pain in my leg, man. Like, why? God damn. Oh, I'm good. Damn. It's not gonna eyebrow them show a lot. Eyebrow gotta show because my eyebrows and fleek, my nigga. I want to hide it, but I just want to take it back off. Looks so good right now. You look like a chocolate pie, my love. Anybody want to take a slice and you eat it? I'm so sweet, girl. Yeah, you're sweet, my baby. You're sweet, girl. You know, you're sweet, girl. Now, come on. Yeah. Put the glasses down some more so the nose could look more squeezed up or like a bit straighter or something. You know? Alright, that helps. Okay, can make it look like chicken body this time. Chicken body. No, I have to back up some more. It look worse. What it is. Give me loving. I want your loving. Give me love. I want love. Give me loving. I want the loving. Give me love. I want your love. Ping pong game, I want a ping pong game. I wanna boy play ping pong game. Ping pong game, play ping pong game. I wanna boy play ping pong game. One the booty fi make me feel pain. Water I wash me like a shower I rain. Come once I ready and I know me I came. Looking at me old boy I must find fame. Tear down my body like a damn hurricane. Foreign on me belly and I do so you are aim. One cocky and a pony and the two of them a team. Wine me a wine and me out for the kill. Sit down by your cocky till your joy feel. Some girl all about me not a fish kill. But me bubble by your cocky cause me full up a skill. Give me loving. I want your loving. I want your love. Give me your loving. I want your loving. Give me your love. No one about we play ping pong game. Ping pong game, play ping pong game. No one about we play ping pong game. one day body if make me feel pain. Water I wash spray like a shower or rain. Once every day and I know me I came. Digging on my belly but you must find fame. They don't me body like a damn hurricane. Flying on my belly and I do so you are aim. When cocky and a pony and they do what them a team. When me a wine and me out for the kill. Sitting for your cocky till you try feel. Some girl a talk laba. Me no have no fish gill. Me a bubble and a bubble cause me don't have the skill. My body act like a radiator. And my side way like a centimeter. Bubbling on me make a boy make it sweeter. Yeah, real one and come again. Come here tell them so we a big star. We gonna sing fuckery when I want. But that time we sing real thing. Songwriter. Nah man. You work until your boss. Who the Marcus? Whoa. Why them want cuss me to me still have gum? Gum, me still love the gum. Yeah, still love the gum, girl, still love the Jackie Bunny hand and still love the gum. So we back again. Amen. We're back again, and we're gonna talk about one of the songs that Olivet Smelly, right? No, Olivet Smelly already left. And she wrote a song you call Pum Pum Time. What the hell is that? You always call me at this time. Why you never call me no time until when I'm live all the time? Yeah, darling. Yes, love. You not hearing me? Okay, where are you, in Brooklyn? Huh? You want it to ship to you? You bought from us before? Okay, it's okay. You want small or large? Okay, do you want it soap with that? Huh? I got soap for 10, 15, and 30. So another person hang up to me. That's why I don't answer my phone when I'm doing my show, because sometimes people just call for nothing at all. But I'm going to see the last time. And then see, leave a message. Person just called me and hang up. That's why I don't take calls when I'm doing live. But I don't put the phone on speaker. Some people are doing that to make trouble and they expect people to put the phone on speaker, so I keep it on low. So nothing, you can hear anything. If they want, they call back. No problem. Anyway, and the devil is a liar. Anyway, bad mind. I can't stop me. My cream always a sell because make your brown and take out this part them. So you call 347-469-3874. Get your cream, get your shea butter whitening, and call the gentleman. Matter of fact, you don't have to call me. You can call him 347-737-1812, and you can pay right there, and your cream shipped to you in 3 days. They're right at your door. Bad mind can't stop me. May God bless. The devil can't win me, you know. Him try all the time, but him can't win, you know, if you understand. No matter how you see me play, and me go on and do me like a acting and me gonna laugh. Devil can't win me. Me strong in my God. So please understand. No make the devil fool away you see. You don't know my heart. I'm a pure woman. I don't even make love for almost 3 years now. I'm a pure woman. Alright, me not thief nothing about it. I work and I eat, me like a joke, I come off here and do my thing, and that's it. Me not bother nobody. Who don't like me because them don't like themselves. Who don't like me because they have a problem with themselves. Them hate me for the person me being, and that's it. So I don't care. Then go find themselves. Me find myself, me know what it means, so me know what me I do. Me then go find himself. Ready again? So, Olivet Smelly, we want to interview you today and ask you, what make you write the song Pum Pum Tight and it don't need any stitch? Why use the word it don't need any stitch? Why would any of that need any stitch? Because some of them is very big and them need stitch. You see me? Some of them big and they need stitch. Some decide to write the song. So you come up, bye. Because some of them are just troublemaker. And some of them need stitching. But I tell you, say, my one tight. And my goodie one them tight, you don't need no stitch. So that's how the song come about, really. I love it too. And so on. So, it's a hit song. Actually, it's a hit song, you know that? Well, many people say it's a hit song, you know, but I don't know. I just sing a song and write a song. Well, many people say it's a hit song, and you have many songs that could be a hit song. You just need to get the right angling and the right people around you, and, you know, money to do your videos for your songs, and you'll be a trillion and trillion dollars of a person. You're worth a lot of money. You have the talent, you have the skill, you just need the help. And once you get that, you're good to go. You know, many people don't know to use their talent. They don't know who they are. They're afraid to wear a color wig. They're afraid to be like that because they feel funny about it. Not knowing that you're an actress and you're a comedian. You have to look apart. You have to be different. That's why you're entertaining. People want to see what next you're going to wear. People want to see what next your hair color going to be like. That's what entertaining people. You can't be a bitch that's sucking anyway. Anyway, I don't want to go there. I want to be nice today. So the song that you write in Pum Pum Tight, you all say position and style. Oh, I mean, you're good in position and style. Well, you know, me good in position and style, yes, because when I get it, I can turn upside down for my head. I can do all these things, you know what I mean? So, as a woman, you must know that you can position yourself in style. You know what I mean? You don't run up on them, but you can't have a man to make him feel happy long as man make you happy. Never man not make you happy, you can't make him happy neither. Because I have to make you happy so the happiness can come after you and go back to him. You understand? So that's how it come about. And you sell a lot of people give you donation, and all the CD was gone. All the amount of CDs that you had was gone. Yes, they do. Probably have like 3 left for myself, but that's about it. Wow, they go very fast too. Yes, they did. People love the music, and like I said, that was the first time I've been in the studio, and no one better than that. Way better than when I was the first time. But they love the song. Wine, wine, wine. Yeah, sing the song to the people that hear it. Again. Wine, wine. You write all your songs, right, Olivet? Yes, I do. I write all my songs myself. And most of my songs, when I write them with my brain. I don't use pen and paper to write them. Because I don't need pen and paper to write them. Pen and paper slow me down. Yes, a pen and paper slow me down. God. Sometimes I get panic attack when I ain't get no smoke, man. Ain't got no smoke. So, so, you know, yeah, you know, I think you'll do well, you know, in spite of age is running you down, and you're getting very old, as you know, as you're a big woman now. And most of the time when you dance, all they want you to be young and prosy, you know, and thing. Well, to tell you the truth, you know, my thing is different because I don't really have to be in a dance hall to sell my music. Because I'm also a comedian. And the people who are entertained, they will support me and buy my CD. So I don't have to be on stage and acting like this kind of way. I can't pass that age, I can't manage it. But I can't do other things. That's what I mean? So yeah. Anyway, people, I want to hear the song. Wine, wine, wine. Wine up me body. Wine, wine, wine. Boy, put it on me. Wine, wine, wine. Me feeling on it. Wine, wine, wine. Boy, put it on me. Pum pum tight and you don't need no stitch. All up a glue, so you know you have a stick. Some of them are taught, them mama do over it. Some of them suicidal, them fi jump a precipice. And this a pump make any cocky stiff. The cocky what you have will make any home shift. Help your back like said them a silver ticks. Yeah, you're freaking and wanna freak off for it, but you're freaky, but you not eat it. And the style where you give me, boy, you that a sweet me. And the length where you a boy, you it a keep me. If you make me ball out like say mama beat me. Position me body, boy, you put me in a style. Up on me it, cause you know me walk a while. Give it to him, cause me well versatile, cause I mean I need no powder and oil. I forget the money, I forget it in a kind. You know nothing better, check my profile. When me walk out, and me walk out in a style. When me see the hater, me wave and smile. Wine, wine, wine. Wine up me body, wine, wine, wine. Why put it by me, wine, wine, wine. Me feeling handy, wine, wine, wine. Why put it by me? Boom, boom, tight and it don't need no stitch. All up a glue so you know you have a stick. Some of them are taught, them mama do over it. Some of them suicidal, them fi jump a precipice. And this a pump make any cocky stiff. Cocky what you have will make any home shift. Help your back like said them a silver ticks. Hey, you're freaky, them wanna freak off for it, but you're freaky, but you not eat it. And the style where you give me, boy, you that a sweet me. And the length where you a boy, you it a keep me. Make me fall, make me ball out like say mama beat me. I say position me body, boy, you put me in a style. But put me in car, you know me walk a while. Give it to him, call me well versatile car. Me no need no powder and oil. I forget the money, I forget it in a kyle. You know nothing better, check my profile. When me walk out and me walk out in a style. When me see the hater, me wave and smile. When me walk out and me body look fat. See the crowd of people, everybody them a watch. When me looking at the traffic and the car, them a crash. Them a sit to themselves with the bad girl body hot. Why not my body? So you know, and you know, I just decided to go in the studio and you know the rhythm was running. I was like, damn, I gotta get a song because you know my engineer he pushed me though, and I love him, you know, Diallo, and he really pushed me because I go beyond what I thought I could do, and I could do better now, you know, and so on. What made me comes up what make you come up with this song they call Light the Fire and Blaze on Them? Why you write that song, Olivet? Well, to tell the truth, why I write that song, Light the Fire, because I was living with a guy, right? A Vincy man, right? And he moved another woman live upstairs. And I was going through a lot of problem with EJ coming to me every day, mix up, tell me to go on. It's all kind of something was going on. And it was too much. And I feel like only God could help me. And I have no money to move. And things was real bad with me. And I wanted to go. And I feel like, you know, the only thing I could is light the fire, make a blaze upon them. Because the scripture of the Bible have done upon them. Because my hands are clean. So, because my hands are clean, I'm just going to make the Bible and the word of God burn the fire on them for all the evil things that they were doing. And for the ones that were doing evil things to me. So the only way for me to come up. When I went to the studio, I was like, okay, I got to get this song done. Give me the rhythm when I get on there. Light the fire, make a blaze pan them. Scripture of the Bible, make it on pan them. Light the fire, make a blaze pan them. Blaze pan them, come in and look no free. Light the fire, make a blaze pan them. Scripture of the Bible, make it on pan them. Light the fire, make a blaze pan them. Blaze pan them, make a blaze pan them. Me are the one where them a talk about. Me are the one where them a black bout. Can me big over east, over north, over south. Blessing it a flow, me say never is a jolt. Some of them attack and them a cut out. Cut two side like a two-blade knife. They want to stop me from strife, but Jah give me blind. Angel on the left, me say angel on the right. No wickedness can manifest in my life. Tell the devil get me and me have to take a hike. Can me believe in a Jesus Christ. Light the fire, make it blaze pan them. Scripture of the Bible, make it on pan them. Light the fire, make it blaze pan them. blaze pan them, make it blaze pan them. From a little girl, I miss away in a meeting. Dream me a dream. I forget the house and me I forget the car. Life too tough and life too hard. Keep it real and me not draw no card. Some of them attack and of them a be a fraud. So them big a foreign and them big out a yard. When you check it out, them have nothing at all. I make the fire burn out the other man, burn out the murderer, burn them out, the dirty heart, turn them out, the dirty heart, turn them out. Some of them are wicked and them well evil. Them mix up like a old flower full of evil. Them dirty in them heart and them full of evil. But judge in my life that I burn them. For me a spirit and I them a chat my name. Them want to bring me down, they want me live in shame. Judge give me life, me say whence that them came, car blaspheme. Say that I feed them game, but the scripture of the Bible cast out evil. Some of them dirty mind, them full of evil. But they can't stop me no because me dey on the rise. Chat in me heart, him a keep me alive. See the wicked heart and I them me despise. Can me see them from afar. Them a look friend, but they only want me name to mix up and blink. Me not trust none of them. Like if I make it place pan them. Rewind and come again. So you write all these songs from your brain. Yes, I have, you know. I have a thing for music since I was a little girl, to be honest with you. And I'm always singing since I was a child. And, you know, I just feel that I keep having nightmare all the time. I was singing and millions of people was running behind me. Millions. And a little girl, my voice was just echo up in the sky. But I didn't know what it means. I know, you know, people, you know, like to watch me and so on. So I guess that was the trip. And what about the other song you talk about, Back It Up Bad? What do you mean, Back It Up Bad? Well, that song I write named Back It Up Bad, Back It Up Bad, I think is my first song. The first song, because that day when they come, it's like 1:30, you got to be in the studio by 1:30. If you have a song, we see you, your son, and we take you. And that one I think about was like 1 o'clock. And I take 30 minutes to do that, to get a song together real quick. That's the time. After that, I started to go freely from my mind. I didn't need to start writing after that no more. Smile me a smile and the girl so sad. Waffy take me man but I'm mad, she a mad. Swerve to the left and me a swerve to the right. Girl see me straight and she want big fight. Back it up, back it up, back it up bad. Back it up, show what you have. Back it up, back it girl, sit down on the rod. Back it up, girl, you have to back it up bad. Smile me a scam and the girl so sad. Waffy take me man but I'm mad, she a mad. Swerve to the left and me a swerve to the right. Girl see me straight and she want big fight. Load up her mouth and she a look straight. Put me come in a me heart and me na go get hype. Move your body like you do gymnastic. Show them girls say you're well fantastic. And this a body in a stretch like elastic. Some girl a talk but them full up attacks it. Yeah, so, you know, I do many songs. Like I said, right on the studio, I still have 2 more albums that not pressed yet. The people never hear these songs before. Many songs. I'm like a radio. I can keep going 24 hours all day, every day. A new song, a new rhythm, every single time. If you give me 100 rhythm for the day, I could give you 100 songs for the day. My brain is just like that. That's how it made up. I have no control over it. Why I sing about Bolt in that song? Because I think Bolt is a I love Bolt, you know. He's very fast. I love my Jamaican people. We're strong people and we're always trying. So that's why I say they gotta be fast like Bolt in that song. Yeah, many people always ask me, why you always say fast like Bolt? Because Bolt is a star, he's a big star, he's an icon. That's what I call an icon, he's a big star. You know, I love Bolt. So, you know, I wish he could bolt me very well. But like I said to you, that's why I come up with that song. Why you talk about the ghosts, the caskets? I don't know, because it's something about the place been washing out and dead people been coming out of the ground and the clothing and stuff. I just feel like, you know, whatever. Like a storm, me say like an earthquake. All the dead in the coffin, them awake. When them hear the jump, me say when them hear the bass. Some of them attack like them want to underrate. Same time them want to take a slice of the cake. Have to eat the road, cause money have to make. Me no copy style, cause you know me self-made. DJ play this song and make we do it again. All them a try, have nothing on me. All them a go on, them have nothing on me. Like a storm, me say like a earthquake. All the dead they coffin them awake. When them get the jump, me say when them. Yeah man, enough song like me tell you, you know. Enough songs, a whole bunch of them. So, I'll leave it as that for tonight. Like I said, people gonna bad mind because they can't do like you can do, you know. You're only good for other things. We made to entertain. You know, that's just, ouch. Beautiful. You don't want to hide that beautiful glaze. No, honey, you don't want to hide that. That is too gorgeous to hide, baby girl. You lie in a casket and you're dead. Your eyes are just closed, lying there. I mean, live your life, put on some bright color, goddammit, enjoy yourself. Don't care what people think about you. They ain't going with you. You're going alone. You're going, my nigga. You're going alone. Enjoy your shit. Whatever you choose to do. Oh, yeah. I love it, too. I know. I don't want to get over myself too much. You know. Yes, how you guys doing? Get off this line. If you don't want to be your nobody, listen. First of all, for me doing a show, I tend to tell yours cocksuckers. I mean, your cocksuckers never get it. I mean, I try to be decent, but your cocksuckers never fucking get it. I said to myself, you must be sucking cock and sperm clog up your damn brain. You will never get it. Because if I tell you, if I'm watching someone and I think they're crazy and they're not worth watching, you're worse than me because you're wasting your precious time to watch something you think it's no good. Nigga, go wash your balls. It smell like dog. Just get going, please. I have no time to associate with someone that smell like a goddamn dog. You know, honey. No, honey. You ain't gonna talk about my looks and my hair because I'm gorgeous. I'm not just gorgeous, but I'm goddamn beautiful. Hello. You're talking to the wrong person, honey. You're on the wrong lane. Look at me, my beautiful car is shutting. Oh, no, you could not pass your face. After I've cut so much banana and carried so much yam in my head and broke so much stone with a goddamn hammer to sell to the truck so I could get some damn lauder shoes to go to school. I bust out of my feet. Them damn plastic shoes was wickedness. Who's the factory was making them plastic shoes. They don't make them for white people. Ain't nothing over. The only thing is over, you're going to be black when I get off here. That's the only thing is OVER. Okay? When I get off here, the only thing is going to be over for you, you're going to be black. And anyone that says anything about you're going to be black, I'm not going to skin teeth to y'all no more. I'm not going to give you no chance to be my friend and do no videos on my line, and you have no fucking respect. Go somewhere else with that shit. Because I don't have to put up with it. I'm not begging for friends. I don't have to do that. I didn't have to be on Facebook. I didn't have to fucking be here. I used to survive without this shit before. But I'm not going to make none of y'all like a nasty ass bad mind that can't change your drawers and your clothes that look like some fucking hog, like eating one hog a day. Because y'all talk about me fat, but y'all look like more like hogs. Bad mind. Kind of can't wear fashion and style. Bad mind. Can't buy good silver button and then no bad mind. People don't fucking $5 tights. Hello. My beautiful wig. Cost me so much. Could have got me a big plate of food for that. Then bad mind feel like a rump. The funny man call me and tell me I'm sexy. I'm not sure what palm me. Not here coming on say me is sexy. Up as I like a bit brown and down here, but it's alright. I love myself. Bye you. Bye you. Bye you. Bye bye. I love you too. See you later. Bye bye bye. Get alive. Get alive. Bye bye. Hater. Hater. Why they keep on hating? They can't integrate. Don't they see that I'm real? I'm just not like the fake. Oh, I'm so beautiful. I love it. Girl, you're so astonishing. You're so astonishing, girl. You're so goddamn beautiful, honey. You're so pretty, girl. Where you from? Jamaica? I'm from Jamaica, man. What's up, my nigga? You're so gorgeous, you know? Yeah, you're gorgeous. Really? Fucking shit. This fucking guy was seeing me the other day. He was like, you're so gorgeous. You know, I was in Jamaica Avenue buying a slice of pizza. Some white man, I never know him. I don't know him, no? Oh my God, he's so gorgeous. I wanna show my wife you. I said, show your wife me for what? I don't know you like that. Instead of this, I get the pizza and I eat one slice of pizza. I wanna show you my wife is out there in the car. Just look. Somebody said, look for what? I don't need to go look outside. Look for what? You know? Freaking man, I go out of the door and I say, come. The car is right over there. Come, just right over there, across the road. The car is right there. Let me see, look at it. I'm looking for the kidnap. I said, they kidnap four people. Then get up and follow them gone. Take off the boat. Them boat never agree. After they never agree once. Then I want to buy the expensive one. They want to feel comfortable. I am sanctified with the blood of Jesus. I am sanctified with blood. All that He shed for me. I'm sanctified with the blood of Jesus. I'm sanctified with the blood of Jesus. Lord, I'm sanctified with your love. I'm sanctified no matter what they say, Lord. I'm sanctified with your blood. Now, I'm coming, y'all. People losing their mind because they ain't got no love. They don't know how to separate love from hate. They just don't know, my nigga. They don't know how to live their life. Just live. Just be a person. Just love. Just be happy with yourself. Gosh. It smells so sweet, and the perfume is spray so sweet. It smells so sweet inside. I love that perfume. And I always use that perfume. I just love it. Just love it, man. Hungry, I'm going to get some food. Go to make care. I don't know why I make care last without food. I start laying a time. Can let me take the wash up, me tell you so I couldn't eat that much. I feed the rice today, never good. Couldn't manage it. And I met there, look. Watch out, forget to name, but I got it. See that tie up, see that I met there? Hungry, I know, man. And that's something I really want the fried chicken with the with the something there. Gosh. Nothing oh God. Oh, I'm going to have pizza in this. I'm going to have pizza on the sardine. But I'm going to look a piece tonight on the sardine plate. A little piece. Sardines tonight, but I'm the sardine more hot. We don't eat the sardine already. We don't eat more sardine. You want the pepper? You can't handle it up pepper. I'm a pepper free. Pepper. Pick up this pepper out of this whenever I'm not gonna smith the pepper I'm gonna weigh. Let me cut the pepper I'm gonna weigh. I'm not putting the belly, you understand? Some of just gotta store and buy. No, it's nothing. Some just gotta store and buy. Let me come on contact till it's still warm. I know I'm not supposed to have no chicken, but I tell you the truth, goodie, I really want the chicken to catch up. I really feel feet. It's like a Jamaican taste when I miss. And if somebody want to get up and take a wash out, I couldn't do it because I clean up my belly. I can't eat enough food in the clean stomach. I eat like fruits, like apple and grapes and other things. I can't eat food like that. When I clean the stomach, because when I start to clean the stomach, I have. Oh no. Yeah, so in life, right? Be love if you want to love and be positive. You be positive, you make joke and make your life happy, good things will come to you. You can't sit and fret over it. Don't sit and fret over stuff, goodies. It's not going to happen. Go about your life, manage what you can manage with, and try the best you can, and you will get a break when the time comes. Remember me tell them I want to eat too much one time, you know. And I'm like, my belly too stuck up. I like these cakes too, man. Lemon cakes smell good, gosh. Smell really good. Fried chicken nuggets. And I'm still hot in the window thing. No, line. Damn, it's hot, man. It's fucking sweating. Fried chicken. I'm not supposed to have fried chicken, but may I tell you? I find a Jamaican catch who want to slap me in my face. Why want to slap me in my face? What the hand for? You say, how you want to slap me? Boom. A 4 piece me buy, a 5 piece me buy. 4 piece me buy. Yeah. I love it too. Yeah, I love it too, honey. God bless you too. Love. Lord, I love you too, man. I buy them a new, right? I walk with them, go everywhere. And when I left them, if I dig up furniture and move furniture around and pack shit and pack the whole closet pack, if I make sure it's good, I'm ready to eat, I'm ready to eat. Can't put it down, so I'm just. I worry about like a piece of pepper. I'm not, no. Put on something. That's it. Everything else is out the door. I tell her, boy, yo. You know, I'm going to tell you something. Yo, Grace Jamaican catch up at the base. Yo, Grace Jamaican catch up at the base. And it was only $2.29. And believe me, you worth it. Because a long time I left Jamaica. And I not get a Jamaican catch up so. And I used to love the ketchup bread or the fried chicken. And I don't want a good food I eat. It's not too healthy, but the rice are good rice. And a regular white rice I eat. The good rice, the health place I buy. And a white rice I eat. So that kind of help. We're going to go. I love it too. I may have more. Yeah, may have more. Welcome. Forgot to pray. Father God, forgive me. Bless my food. Thank you, Father God. Yes, darling. I'm fine, my love. Yes, I do. Yeah, you know watch me on Facebook? You watch me on Facebook? I was asking if you watch me on Facebook. Yeah, I do still make the cream. When you want to pick it up? Oh, okay, baby, no problem. All right? Meet me in Eastern Parkway, Brooklyn Museum. Yeah, baby, no problem, okay? Okay, see you then. Okay, baby. Yeah, there's some people walk and come pick up. I buy before, they walk foot and pick up. The man not ship people. She buy before. Remember her. People call me at the appointment, you know, for next week. For tomorrow. The 3 days ago, 4 days ago. So people at the appointment and they really come for the appointment. So, people just want to know. You know, that's why business go. If you don't answer your phone and people have an appointment, then how you going to make money? People now will come no, every time, no. You know what I mean? Or work so. I love you too. Do my lip with what? Not do my lip, not more eat food. What me do my lip? If me do my lip, no sir. Eat food. Ah? So these foxes on the 8 rate are bad? I know, I'm on you. Don't worry. I'm on you, baby. Don't worry. I got you. No respect for people blood clot things. I got you, man. I understand, I understand it clearly. Yeah? Straight shooter. Damn. Bex. I'm not give a damn. Bad man can't stop me from them. Bad man can't stop me from Brown. Bad man can't stop me from trim my clothes. I'm not going to call on the old mansion. You can't try to turn the old Facebook page. I can't go and build a new page and come all over again. I am just who I am. You'll hate me until the fucking die, bitch. Hate me until the fucking drop dead. Someone who carry pussy feelings. Drop dead. I smoke with my mouth to them. Pepper tastes good, pepper body. I used to buy jerk chicken paste, I'm going to buy the chicken, a flat bush jerk chicken paste, I used to buy it a long time ago. When the further down. I used to live by, I used to live by wagon, Woodruff. And Woodruff I used to live. I used to live at Caton too. I think at 21st. I don't remember shit. Yeah. I'm gonna buy chicken. Jerk chicken place. I whip on the guy for search because I said, don't buy the chicken today. But is it true? So the white bitch don't make an next profile already. It's up here right now. It make a difference to me and I want to win life. You fucking talking. Tomorrow the man is taking the next action for you to come out of here because today you never leave until the last day. Tomorrow morning. Next step. I just finished discuss that not too long. So when it's time for me to go, I will go too, but right now is your term. I'm my one. The pepper tastes good. Damn. Oh. Sometimes the battery will quint and my Tony will jump like frog and my battery will quint like a vibration. So I not get nothing. So that's why I jump so vibrate. The body still work good. Pepper hot. Goodie. I said to myself, sir, the way they get to, you know. Oops. I don't live by threat. I don't live by bad mind people. Just block them. Just block them. I'm doing great. Very good. Now I'm grabbing a block. It's the most important thing. Take a bite, haters. Nothing can go for me. Nothing can go for me. May God bless. Trust me. Don't mess up my thing.
He's empowering this kid. He's not.
Okay. Don't worry. Stay where you are. Okay. There's sometimes in life you have to put your foot down. You don't put your foot down. If you have fucking stalker like that white trash, she come in here and she doing the same shit. Ain't nothing over, bitch. You're getting the fuck out of here. That's what you're doing. Getting out of here. See where you go in. And say, yeah, come out. Trust me. Bad man, right? I love the life that I live. I'm a star, so they want to get me mad. They want to look at Hollywood. Whoa! So excited sometimes. When I get overexcited how powerful I are, I can make people happy. I'm happy. Show people to live your life and you're poor and half rich. Just live your life and be happy. And that's the most important thing. You understand? Yeah, I love it too. I'm coming. I'm on Facebook on this. Let me laugh sometime. You're good, so what's going on? What you eat for dinner? What you eat for dinner, boo? Is my food in my buy here? I'm going to buy fried chicken. I'm going to come my food and give me. My food come out of the case with the fried chicken there, into the file and into my hand. You're not going nowhere else. So my rice for me I eat. And the vegetarian place down there, so we sell to all everybody, white people, everybody. It's straight in front of me with everybody's food assured and me get here and come home with it. I'm not left to go nowhere. When I come home. Make sure anything going to my mouth that come from, I go right in it so I can't get poison. Nothing can touch me tonight. Hello, sorry. Well, I'm full. I'm full now because someone on the corner. Just this. Later. Maybe later, maybe never, I don't know. It's good, but I don't want to feel. I don't want my stomach to feel. It's really good. Feel big like my pregnant. I like the habits after me now. My foot is same. I don't know why I do certain things, you know. I change weight because I exercise good, you can't be the same man. When the big old got the damn so much for us. Some mistakes I can't watch me like that, you're not weighing medals and stuff. You know what I do? Because I don't know why I do it. You know what I mean? The amount of threat me get. So me up online. Most of the idiot. I'm afraid of people. I'm going to come back from here. Most of the ones I make my shit back them. There's nobody. They want people to notice them. They come with violence. That's all they know. They know to be happy like we can be happy and laugh without violence. Damn. I said I was going to eat no more and realized it's too late to go on. It's too late. Done. But I'm not here for that. Thank you. Alright, the pepper now. Piece of pepper still on my plate. I'm going to dash back, get like a glaze of pepper for still on my plate. Kind of. Some rice. I'm going to eat this. Put the pepper on there, like a piece of bone shit and eat and let's come in and waste it. Not that. Vince, boy. See, your sister was a tyrant. I know she want to come and fucking cuss me. Should ever know me. Never meet her in life. Eh? Imagine that. This tastes really good, eh? Tastes really nice. So I love about myself good, I can't go any studio. I have to depend on people, you know, for go studio no more. And the music no more, nobody and all them shit. But I have to. But now I have to do me favor anymore. When I have to kiss nobody else, that's number one. Because I write a lot of songs, I'm an engineer, I put in a lot of my songs them. I'm right. So I never kiss nobody else. We're going to the studio. I not plan to go to the studio back to the studio. We hope music me have song in the studio. I have no controller. You think I either work in the studio or put on more music, I have no controller. I not for myself in my hand, I fucking dopey. I can't spend $50-100 going in the studio to fucking record a song. I walk out this shit for no one. I don't want nobody nothing. I fucking dopey. Blood clot out of here. I have blood clot fright. I have talent and frighten a pussy. Fuck out of here. Blood clot, but I don't control over blood clot. So them blood clot mama and go with that. Fuck. You get me frightened for fucking making music and shit? I just beat on fucking music. Anybody can do that shit once you have talent. Fucking frighten me. I can't walk in any studio right now and get them to cover me because I have the crowd and give them all a bus. When people know about them and shit. I'm willing for work with me. I'm simple. I have no problem. I have no fucking problem. I do what I do. See, my engineer, anybody can ask him, say, if you not come since last summer and say, I don't know I'm reach. So when I'm ready, I come through and nothing. I just want to cycle myself and know what I do in my head. Can't fucking get up and make music, I throw music out, everybody come. So my music, I'll throw my song and I can't find. You idiot? So I blood clot, mama and go. I'm not forcing on one. I can't go anywhere and fucking spend $100. You go inside and get 2 hours out of that and be 2 songs and that. I feel it. Come out and press that and you have fun, whatever you want to do. Once you buy the rhythm and the rhythm I feel, that's the most important part is getting the rhythm. We have feel and that's it. The problem of music like me, I depend on nobody. If you go right, if you go put a song, nobody put music in my head. I'm a fucking idiot. I'm gonna be in the studio all the way through all till now, all tonight. I'm a fucking idiot. I don't want to fucking do. Fuck. Yeah, I don't want to do, man. I'm not coming like some people, you know what I mean? Yeah. Where's the camera? What look I was going for? I was going for the look that looked like a big stinking pussy. Come off here and go dump your ass in a garbage. Come off here and go dump your ass in a garbage. I was going for the look will look better than you. And Anita dirty crutches. Bad color dark crutches. On the front your crutches. That's the look I was trying to go for in case you get wasted like a fucking lost dog and you're straight on the wrong road, ma'am. If you're a lost dog and you're straight on the wrong road, don't come in about what look you was going for. What look you was going for? Why you over here looking? You trying to look up my scunt, man? If you can't say nothing nice, get the hell out of here. And yes, as like I said, the world I want to come for come groove upon me. Very ugly. I love my ugliness. And my ugliness is very important because you're here watching it. And you have no shame. If you find that something is ugly and not to look at, why you sitting there looking at it? You have no shame. That's what it is. You have no dignity. You're a low scum for a black man. Very low scum for a black man. I tell you about you black man be walking around sucking dicks. You know, when you all take up, you think I'm going to take all the dicks you're going to suck, my nigga? I'm not going to take all the dicks you're going to suck. Why you just don't leave me alone, my nigga? You come all the way on my line. That's what I'm saying. You come on my line. So if you come on my line, stop fucking complaining about why you're very ugly. I'm very beautiful and I love it. Quite frankly, what you say to me, I don't even feel a damn way. Because if I'm ugly, the ugly is making you watch me and so much people watching me. I'm quite grateful. Thank God for the ugly. Let me bless me. Can me pretend nobody not look at me. Never want my big crutches and I take my and I soap for you with everything I want. And people can't stop me ugly so I can't eat food and relax. Why not? Anybody that want ugly for that? Anybody that want ugly for that, baby? I'm sorry. Whose mom is this anyway? Well, whoever mom you think this is somebody's mom. Because me can't breed, me and a mule. Me and a mule like someone who can't breed. Okay? So that's why I'm somebody's mom. So now you know that I'm somebody's mom and who mom it is. Have some respect for me. Thank you. Next one. What's for dinner? I'm fried chicken and rice and peas with ketchup. And this real anniversary, a person like you. Well, thank God. I'm so glad. That means I'm going to be rich and famous. Because I look different from every human being. Thank you, Jesus. Anybody else? I just don't eat some food good. Love you too. Man, yeah, big up yourself too, man. Yes. It's not mine, it's M-A-N, man. And I never could read. Yeah, but like I'm telling you, she said that man say very ugly. Yes, I heard what he said. And I'm enjoying what he said. And I'm glad that you and him is here to watch me and to support me. I thank you guys and God bless you. I hope when you look down in your front and you smell a stench coming from it, remember I told you so. Thank you, Tanya, to let him know that I don't want him. I surely don't want him. Thank you, Tanya. Yeah, she don't want you. That is a fake page. Nobody can name live stream. That's the fake page I reported by Facebook, and you take the page down. That's like a says, you know, that's not a real page. It's not a real person. Nobody name live stream. That's number one. But I don't want them. No, I don't. I don't have time for people like those. Most of these people you're talking to, they're like drinking beers and they stink a beer. These guys, they think they got some shit going, some earring in their ears, and they freaking drink liquor and they got this big ass gut in front of them full up of fucking shit. They will take a cold and cleanse. Those are most of the ones that come in here and come in some nasty stuff. So you know they're pregnant, so you don't pay them any mind. They're having triplet babies. You don't, you know, pay attention to someone when they're having triplet babies. Yeah. Yes. No, it's not frozen. Yes, it's frozen. Let it go. No, there's nothing frozen here, baby. I'm good to go. Thank you. God is be with you. I hope you sleep good tonight. What? Gonna tear your arm string, whatever. Big up yourself. Someone take my phone? Well, I tell you what. No one can take my phone because I bought my phone. No one can take my phone and pay my bill. I have more than one phone. Number one, someone need to take your phone so you won't able to watch me and stop being a pest. Stop being a maggot in somebody's asshole. So someone need to take your phone for stop bad minding after you come over the woman page and she doing her life. She did not call your stinking ass to come over here, but you waggle your fucking dog tail and you come over here to say someone should take her phone. Someone should take your fucking phone so you can't go over there and bother the woman. Because obviously she's not being a pest to you. She don't know you. But you find your way to pest her. So you're the one that should lose your phone, sir. Thank you very much. God be with you too, sir. And a casket. Yeah. Yes, Miss Washington. Yes, ma'am. Somebody need to take your book pussy away so you won't use it that much. Yes, ma'am. Somebody need to take a big pussy away that you won't use it that much. Yes, ma'am. Not my phone. Take away your pussy. Take away your phone. So you won't have to use a phone to use a big pussy that much. That's why someone should take away your phone so your pussy can rest. Next one. Thank you. You're not a fan. I'm not a fan. A part of the wig. Okay, girl. But I love the makeup. And the color. And the hair. Thank you, hypocrite. God bless you. Leave her alone, please. I don't like when she get off. Chandra Morris, you know, they're not off time. Big up yourself also. What, you bad man? Bad like a fucking Yasma nigger. Big up yourself. You need a what? I need a bug? I don't need no bug. My ass is clean. I don't need no bug. Elevate you call Lala. I don't know what you're saying. Yes, goody. You don't know my body good already. I'm not work, but my body well good. Better enough for them. Yeah. Yeah. Read your palm. Man, tell the King Cartel. Big up yourself. What you saying? Someone to read your palm. So read what you're saying to them. Okay. Read your palm. You don't have to make anyone read your palm here. I'm not going to read your palm. And no one in the line will read your palm or just get off. Go somewhere with your mix-up and your gossip. That's all you do. Y'all just like to write letters and send letters and this and that and chat in fuckery and say, inbox. I'm glad you got a life and make you get a life so you can inbox people, you have something to talk about. Because when it comes to your life, you have nothing to talk about. So I'm glad when I give you something to talk about, at least you could inbox somebody and get somebody to talk to you because you want to talk about bad about all of it. It's kind of good that you can do that and survive off of me somehow while I'm surviving off God. Thank you. Huh? That is the end of your life? I don't know what you're saying. What is the end of my life? I don't know what you're saying. But my life will never end now. I'm going to grow and die old. Very old. Very, very old, lady. Very, very old. All right? I have no ill health issue. None at all. Quite frankly, none. I never admit in a hospital. Never did in my life when I'm 43 years old. When it's time to flush, my God, I flush. When it's time to exercise, I do so. I don't drink liquor. I don't smoke cigarette. I don't hang out in bars. I don't party. I don't hang out in people's place or hang around people. I pray to God. I eat my food. I sleep. I wake up. I exercise. What I got to do and hustle. That's how I live. I don't live among enemies and people that have bad heart and evil heart or just want to do evil to other people. And then they sit down and say the black man make them in slavery. And they don't want to show on Facebook what people go through in slavery. You must feel bad when they own saying black people are masked you into slavery right now or putting you down and cursing your own black person and telling them you're ugly. And how black people, you see black people look from before and you're black. And you talk about you ugly, you this, you that, and bringing on your black people. That means you ain't got no fucking self-esteem. You don't even like who you are. You don't even like yourself as a black person. You can't see yourself without being a straight nose and paint a picture that's not even real. You can't be real, my nigga. You can't be real with yourself. And I feel sorry for y'all when you're like that. Because I know you're having a hard time in life. You can't even look at your own self through the mirror and feel happy with yourself. I'm sure it's giving you a big problem. But no, you want to destroy me because you don't like yourself. You can't destroy me. I have too much confidence. I believe in God and I believe in myself. And I love people. You understand me? So no matter what you say, y'all can't stop me. You can fight me all the way to fucking hell. You'll never win me. Because God is protecting me. And I don't take shit from people, mix up and eat from people and up and down. I don't do that. Okay? I don't live by threat. Because they don't define me. I don't worry about them. I don't worry about somebody saying, I'm what this and that. I don't give a damn what you want to do. Do it. Do it. Do your best. God will do the rest. Do your best. Make God do the rest. Because once you're unclean and your heart is pure, you're going to get F, my nigga. So I don't worry about it. They trapped me so much in this house and do all this shit and they couldn't touch me. They don't walk out of here, leave me standing still without touching me. So when people thought they're talking off their stinking tongue that they don't brush, their stinking throat that they don't brush, their mouth that they walk around sucking somebody's husband with. So I feel sorry for them because all they think about, you got to look like this, you got to get, and this, and that, and you got to have millions of dollars, and then I'm going to start talking good about you. You're the fucking stupid. The devil got your fucking eyes, my nigga, got your tongue, got your mind. Y'all are so goddamn corrupt. You can't see the real from the fake and you can't be real with yourself. You expect everybody going to get up in long lashes and expensive this and that and be doll up like the way you want them to be to suit you or you want them to look. You're not God. You didn't make them. But you waggle your stinking frownsy ass and find yourself on the line to sit down and to criticize. And you don't have anything better going on for you in your life because you wouldn't be here. You're not better than me because you wouldn't be here. You'll be doing your own show or doing something with people watching you. So that means you ain't got shit going for you. You're just a fucking like a lost dog that strayed down the fucking alley and decide you want to fucking bite me. But when dogs want to bite me, I glamazon them, motherfucker. You understand what I'm saying? That's what I do. Don't come around here and think I'm going to be afraid of y'all. Because y'all are some loose fucking bug, my nigga. Berry's in the living room, baby. Berry's in the living room. She good. My look, what do you see? You like my looks? Why you dress like a Jezebel? Well, you know, if you think I dress like a Jezebel, it's great because your mama was the greatest whore and the greatest Jezebel of all. And your mama, I must remind you of the clothes your mama used to sell pussy back in the 60s because, to tell you quite frankly, your mama was a fucking Jezebel. And that's how you know Jezebel and the word Jezebel. That's how you come about to your mama out a son, a fucked up son from a Jezebel. And when you look at these things, you say, you know what? Your mama was a Jezebel, you want to blame me. I'm not your mama, nigger. I am not your mama. And she was a Jezebel. She have a fucking for devil son that find his way to torment a poor woman that doing her comedy in a blue wig. To tell her because she look good and she don't want to suck his dick and she don't want him and she don't even want to fucking see him. She want to see the face of God. That's what you're looking for. But you decide to take your moldy ass. Your asshole is probably stretched this big by now. And you're a man. And you decide to come and call me Jezebel when you fall out of a Jezebel twat. Are you people really serious and know what you're saying, the shit you're saying, though? Or you're drinking Bacardi and orange juice too goddamn long, my nigga, screwdriver. Too long. Bacardi's cheap, my nigga. You're drinking that shit too long with them old English beer, my nigga. That shit got you seeing double, son. I'm not your mama. First of all, if you look at me, I could never be your mama. Because your mama look like more like a barrel. Your mama is like 4 or 5 times size than me. How the hell you going to expect I'm a Jezebel? I dress like a Jezebel because I'm wearing a jumper, a summer jumper? No, man, you're in the wrong place, my dear. You're straight on the one lane. This is not your mama, honey. And this is not your auntie, honey. Look good, baby. Look good, good. I'm flawless as a mother's cunt. You better look good now. Talk about Jezebel, why you dress like a Jezebel and you drop out your mama big Jezebel pussy. And you have the right to come and sit here to try to bring me down when your mother and your father fucked and have a devil of a child. You're a devil of a fucking child. You want to come over here with the devil herself to come and try to pull me out and to bring me out and to say you look like you're dressed like a Jezebel. Well, if you're dressed like a Jezebel, your mama was a Jezebel. I'm not a Jezebel, even if I dress like it. Your mama is. And your father was a devil's boy. You always fucking Satan in his ass without no grease. And that's how you come by. So take your devil ass self and get back over there, honey. Get all the way now. Get going. I tell you. Y'all don't let the devil come on. You see, y'all are the one with Jezebel who trying to get me to curse now. They're trying to mess up my beautiful synthetic look. I tell you. And I tell you, man, oh, this was expensive lift me the Avon today. The expensive one, that's why I never come off when me eat. The expensive one. Sometimes I can't find him, when I never find him again. The Beyonce one, whatever I call it. I buy them long time I have them, I couldn't find one. Yeah, very out of order. So now you know why I dress like a Jezebel. Thank you so much for the hairstyle turn up. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. Ain't no rain falling over here, baby. Ain't got to put no umbrella. Ain't nobody dying over here. Ain't nobody dead. Don't need a purple umbrella. No rain outside. It's good. Thank you. Love you all. The makeup though, right? Yeah, because I was like, since they're always talking about the makeup, why should I use black? If I use blue, it's going to look more outstanding. It's different because, you know, it's art, you know. I like to do something that you don't see before, and it looks different when you look at it. And, you know, I made a center for right here. Hello. Yeah, you know, I like to do stuff that look different, you know. It's like different, you know. I'm an entertainer, I'm not supposed to look regular. Come on. I think it's nice. No, beautiful colors. You just bring my beauty right out and they want to say ugly. Nope, you're wrong. Hello, not today. Not today. Nobody's dead. I'm not dead. I'm still alive. Nobody's dead and nobody's going to kill me. Everything is there. Everything you talk about, everything you say is in Facebook is written. And if I don't erase this, you can't erase. It's there. So tell that white bitch to come off of here and go suck dick. Get out of here, you nasty big pussy white bitch, and come off in a fake profile and come off of my line. She been stalking me so much, she's put letters on my door. She texts Jay. Throw Olivet out. I don't want her here. Act like the place a fear. When they go to the kitchen, I take out the garbage. I take out the garbage. She drove them downstairs. She gone. She take out this. She take out that. I'm still there. Going like a fear place. Yeah, well, 4 or 5 profile for black fear. I'm sure that she come back on again. So she's right on the line here. Boy, you're dead. I'm not dead, bitch. I'm alive. Get the fuck off my line. Get off, you nasty crap. Get off here. And, yeah. Oh, that bitch is back again? Oh, my God. You're back again, hon? You're back again? All y'all are back again? I thought I blocked you all the other night. You back again? Oh, snap. Yeah. Yeah, me no love camera for cussing. When you all come and open a big stinking mouth, then I gotta say something. If I'm on my camera talking, you don't come over and open your stinking mouth, I have nothing to say. Hello. I love you too. Yes, Goody, big up yourself too. God bless you. One love. Thank you. I love you. Love the hair too. I love you too. Yellow heart, big up yourself. Well, you know, them big mad because they can't change their hairstyle like you. Tell them, baby. Nice, cheap, and clean. Hello. Barry home? Yeah, Barry's home. Yeah, Barry's home. Yes, I'm still here. I have all the energy to be here, honey. It's my line. I can be here anytime I want to be. Big up Marilyn. Goody. Big up yourself from Taylor from Maryland. Big up a guy himself, mama. Oh, it's Marilyn. Big up yourself. After all this bleaching, I still look like trash. Thank you, Black Lady. Thank you, Miss Black Lady. I don't do after all this bleaching because I already bleach my skin. That's number one. I want you to know that. I couldn't tell you last time I put some cream on my skin. For your information, dirty bitch. And for your information, your bad mind, because I'm hearing people looking at me and nobody looking at you. Say, hello, Miss Bleachy. What's your name? Bleach skin. Your skin probably look like crocodile. Because most of y'all talking about bleaching cream because you can't afford to buy it. You cannot afford to buy it, and between your crotches look black. Between your ass will look black. And someone will on the knee black and chippy. And the whole your back full of some fine bumpy all over your back. And scatter all over your back like you have measles. Get off my line, measles pussy. And get out my way. Let me go to Hollywood, please. Thank you. The eyelash them now go fix good, baby, because I don't really wear eyelash. I don't want to put it on my eye where it hard to come off. Because I don't scrub my face and clean off all this and take the shit off of my eye. I don't wear them something like that for fun. No. It's not just comedy where I put it on. You may be careful with her, man. Don't worry yourself. I got this. She's a hater. Who is a hater? Can't me she say a hater because I go to the door, go sing, go on the train and hustle all the fucking people in my line. And if you decide that you gonna come and had me without my permission, with one friend or no friend and start going like, me I take you off. You don't work for 80,000 people. You never have 5 friends. You gotta go. You never even you put yourself in a my thing and go in and go hook up shit without me and go in and shit and go and I cannot put shit in my line. You're out of order. I'm not a hater to do that. I have the right to do what I gotta do to make sure I am good. For what I work for, I will shine and I will go up. Me now go sit down make uno come. When I share a video and I do nothing and try bring me down and still have no ear, I will be gone. Zero. Simple. Because there's people that want to laugh and want to have fun and they have respect for other people's shit. I am not going to sit down with bitches that not going nowhere from the neighborhood and afraid to open their mouth to talk. But when it comes to a dick, they won't fly wide open like an automatic. I have no time for that. So if y'all not going to respect me, I'm not going to have you here because I'm not a big friend. Every day people like me for where I go. It's always more people going to like me because I'm a good person. All right? Somebody might have 5 profiles of one person attack all kind of shit. Sometimes one person, you know, attack all 5, 6, 7 different shit. You think of 7 different people just trying to bring me down. They say they can't bring me down. Can't stop me from watching. I'm going to suck dick. People don't stop watching me. Make people happy. That you don't want to don't stick her up, man. People will never stop watching all of it. No matter what they say about me. I want me shit by myself and I take picture and put out and say, look the shit. People are going to love me more and run come more. Don't know that? The more you say bad things about me, the more people come to see who you're talking about. The more people gonna come and watch me. It now make me go down, it's coming up, because I come from far. I come out of rat shit from rat bite me till bed bugs and living at them. So I come out of that and I make the whole world know. I don't know one can come with for face me. Nothing. Nothing at all. I don't hide nothing. I don't nothing to hide. So nobody know a fucking secret for me. None at all. Because I don't hide nothing. Alright? So when no one come and talk, nobody a grimy, nobody a sweet talk on phone. Some man, sometimes they call me a pick argument, I know I sit them a look. I sit them a look for record and chat and get for playback voice note and so them do put on YouTube channel and all them shit. Me I talk to Olivet and this and that and yeah man, this and that and I don't sit down nobody can't catch me like that. I don't have time, I don't look for love, I'm not looking for love. The only love me looking for a master God, so them sitting there can't catch me, no man can't set me up and get me for going away with them, go neam with them, or hang out or even date with them and them shit. Me not go nowhere. Nobody can get me to that. I want them to go eat not too good, I'm too Indian good to them. And me lose our number, I never know what the number them I can't call them. And they used to come visit me all the time. Because me have hateful people who call my phone and talk to me every day and they hate me like poison. Because them bad mind. Some people so bad mind, I don't know why they can't go in bed and just dead. They just bad mind like that. So when they come over here, maybe protect my Facebook page and when me I do, me no business what you want to do. But when they come to disrespect me, I'm going to stay upon you and disrespect me, me sit down and take it. No. You gotta go. There's other people on here that don't like it. And if they don't like it, I don't have to put up with it. Thank you, honey. The lips look nice. Thank you. When we wear good lipstick, your lip look better. The lipstick goes at something like $12.99. Thank you, goody. Send enough love here. Thank you so much. Burn out the haters. I sure will. Big up yourself, Robert Jackson. Robert, big up yourself, man. Love your accent. Can you say my name? Robert Jackson, big up yourself. I don't know who you are, but big up yourself. God bless you. I'm just a comedian, man. I just come and do my thing, talk, and make people happy. I'm no harm. I'm not here to do people harm. When they talk shit, I talk shit back, but I don't mean people no harm. In real life, I don't know them. I don't know their mama. I don't know shit about them. But they're telling me shit, and I tell them back, and that's just when you're on the internet, just how it go comedy, and it done. I don't take it outside and take it seriously, or see people outside and disrespect them. I don't do that. When you're talking shit on the line, I'm going to talk back shit, and it done right here, and I go. That's how I live. I'm a comedian. That's how everybody does comedian. We don't have time. I don't know nobody that really know me, so a person can't say they really know me, because you don't really know me. You might see me, but you don't know me. Because you have to live with a person to know them. You don't know me. You see me, but you don't know me. Pick up yourself. Big up yourself. God bless you. What you say, honey? You got Simone. You got I don't know. You said something like you got 0. I don't know. You're talking to me, someone else. Big up yourself. Love you too, babe. Big up yourself to Kamala. Hamid, big up yourself. What is this? I'm a human being. I'm a woman. Look good. That's what I am. And if you don't like it, go and open your legs and open your hole and look inside and ask, what is this between your leg? If you don't know what it is, ma'am. Obviously, having a problem to see well. So you need the glasses before you could take a look. Thank you. God bless you too. So you don't recognize me? No, I don't know who this is. I remember I have 1,100 people come pick up cream already and jewelry and everything. And I might see them and say hi, but I don't know nobody personally. Even if somebody come by me and pick up something and say hi, I don't know you. I don't come to your house. I don't hang out with you, so I wouldn't know who you are. I have goodies when I talk nice with them, call me and talk and say hi and so on, hi. But I don't know you personally. So if you say you don't know me, recognize me. I can't buy your profile because I can't see the profile. It's very small from here to make you out because it's very dark in the picture. It's not like it's a picture of your face, so I can't see what it is. So I don't know you personally. And many people say they know me, they don't know me. That's number one. And many people want to say bad things about me. Not saying that you do, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that you do. All right, don't get me wrong. But many people, when they want to talk bad about me, they talk about, I know her. Man, and this and that, I used to talk to her, and this and that, and this and that. Lie. Never met me before. So I get tired of that. Bolt was talking about that the other day. That how many people would walk up like, man, you know, remember me, man, me know you're good, man. Remember me and your man? And man say, what? When? Yeah, man, I mean, man, let me tell you, so one day you'll be big man and real. Man say, remember. And the person like, yeah, man, you wear one blue t-shirt today, man. Remember, good man. And the blue t-shirt have someone sitting on it, right? So, you know, remember, man, man's like, yeah, kind of want to over with. So it's a regular thing that people do. Instead that piss him off a lot when people do that shit. I'm tired of it. So it's a regular people do. Me not have no $1 million, me not have no money, me not reach out with my poor as ass. And that's why I make people know how I live and eat my food in front and just be myself. I'm not someone that take off and put on. I'm just being me. And that's the good thing about me, and I love it. Anybody else? Anyone else? Thank you so much. You think my life ugly, get off the damn live. You don't have to be here. Because ugly is beautiful for me. It's really beautiful for me. Because you know why? It makes you want to be here. And many people want to rise and to be a star and able to can make a little money and sell a little something. Many of them want to. So if it making me to what it is that you have to run, come and leave what you're doing and take your mind and soul and sit down to write with your finger and to write in that with your finger, you're evil as fuck. I could tell you that. But you ain't got no life though. So I know I'm here to give you a life. That's why you're here, most of them. Guyana, big up yourself in the house. Big up yourself, my nigga. Yeah, man. Kenzin, big up yourself. I'm not pretty. I'm not a flower. I'm not pretty. I'm not looking for someone to tell me I'm pretty and I'm good looking now. I'm not a flower. I'm just a human being. Okay? I love that enough. Thank you. I don't know who is this, Tina. I don't know who that is. Pick up yourself. See, people that claim that they know you, right? They claim that they know you. They never share a video for you. And it's like, I know you. They never share a video for you. They never comment anything good for you. They come on here when people start to blabber them out and chat, and then they're going to say, I know you, you this, you that. But they will never share a video for you, and they will never like something for you. So how the fuck you going to know them? I don't know you. How you know me so much? And you never like nothing for me. Even if you know me from the street before me get popular. And you come and this, you will say, I know her. You don't know me because you never share nothing for me. Me don't know you. Me not even see on the internet to see your profile to know who you is on the profile. Because you never share anything for me to see come up and me can say, who this share me video? Let me look and see who the person is. Because people share me video, me look and see who them is. See if them send me a friend request or whatever. Because my phone show me everything as they come up in line. So if you know me for a long time, never share nothing for me, I like nothing from me, I up on the internet, how am I supposed to know you? How am I supposed to know you? I don't even know where your page there or nothing. How? I don't like something for you, I see like and say who this person, I know who the person is. That's ridiculous. I don't know. Right, might make me once in Utica, but I don't know it personally. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Big up yourself. I used to sell on Utica on Eastern Parkway on the street, and I used to live there when things was bad with me. Yeah. Thank God my belly full. Yeah, the good body Olivet there, seeing we. Big up yourself, Papa. Big up yourself to babes, enough love. Big up yourself. Who's this person? Vanessa Jordan. Okay, Vanessa Jordan. Killer Stone. Killer Stone. Hello. Yeah, because you know, people are so fabulous. I love the blue eyebrow them too. I really love them. Belly full now. Wash off the stuff and brush my teeth and yeah, I love it too. Yeah, thank you. But even if I work out, I didn't work out today, man. But if I work out and make it, but then bad mind same way, because some of them can pick up some big old stretch mark on them can look like somebody beat them with a rope. One of them can stretch out and ugly. And them big old flat between the legs, and then can even touch you toward a squat, so them hate you. You're fat too, you know, say you're fat too, but at least you try a thing, you know what I mean? But some of them fat, they not try nothing. Marvin, Bishel, Barshel, are you a male or female? Oh, you want to know from a male or female? Well, are you a man? Are you a female or a man? What you want to know? Because if you want me to fuck in your ass with no grease, I can do so with a strap on. So, whether I'm a female or not, I can fuck in your ass or in your throat if you want me to. So I'm not gonna answer for male or female. I can do what you want. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. I'm a beautiful black woman. I know. Thank you so much, Coke. Big up yourself. God bless you. Big up in Brooklyn. Big up yourself, Houston. Big up. No. Big up in Brooklyn. No, you gotta go. Let me be sure. I want to say the wrong thing. Big up yourself. You're just fabulous and real. Keep being yourself. Thank you so much. Big up yourself. Nice look. Big up yourself. What type of ear this is? Just plastic ear. When I sell my crutches or suck dick for buy it, because I can't take deep throat like some people. I buy the one I can afford, and I have a lot more good ones. But I know I'll pack up, because I sell a wig. I work per week for sale and so. So I sell a wig, so I work per weeks there. You're welcome, honey. Thank you. I make a day, Tamara. God bless you. Diamond Cecily. I live it at the best. Big up yourself, mama. Make God do the rest. Big up. Love you too. Olivet, it seem like them man love watching your life. But yeah, but the man them come eat for me. I don't know why I not take all the body with them. But when man not come eat for me for? Come and skin out my word and write them back and skin out my word and take pictures and go get them. Then why you they hate me? I don't know nobody nothing. Nobody hate me. So when the man up here talking at the same white man in the room, I try to tell them that. When I listen what me I say, you know. I the same woman that live here 5, 6, 7 years profile. Sometimes when I'm there when she take black people picture and put up here and act like a somebody else. Some of them. Some of them want to know and all of them. And the people may see behind it. Yeah. No, my mouth not hot, my mouth clean. I'm sorry. OMG, good your mouth hot. No, my mouth not hot, my mouth clean. Sorry, not hot. The mouth hot is stink. I'm sorry, honey. My mouth not stink. Maybe your pussy stink, but not my mouth. Get the fuck off here. Keep telling you. Keep telling you I be seeing you, man. Jamaican and the blood clot best. Always, them bad mind or ass. They know about the plant here, man, cocoa. Jamaican are the best. We are the best, yes, we are the best. That's the one to come like I made them want to stress. But I take the fucking bird, go and find another nest. Right now, I gotta big up my chest. Like a S in my chest, cause I know I'm the best. Hi. Whoa, they want to get a bus, then come over here, show up them colors. Plant piece of gun, dog a goalie. And he be here till he kill poor Sammy. Oh. Bad mind make them want to see me down. Bad mind, but me not go. Bad mind make them want to see me run. Nah, suck your mama hole. Nah, Good day. Yeah. I want this now. You hate me and then you post it on my line, man. You take off that blood clot off my line. I'm going to block you right now. You fucking hate me and you put it on my line and talk all kind of hard shit. And you want to post it on my fucking line. No matter scunt I tell them about you know. You need for block now right away like no. You want to come on a blood clot fuckery. You have to love yourself. Let me tell you something. When you walk out the door, and see people walk with sticks. Some people have shit bag or carry for shit and pissing off to stay alive. Some people have all kind of sitting on the motor pump oxygen on them good to be alive. The world is not what it is. But you know, I don't blame these people to come and curse me. You know why I not blame them? And me draw the negative to myself. I draw demons to myself. When I come out and be and talk and be unworthy. But I want to know, say, even though I unworthy, I have God. But I don't say I Satan them, you know. Satan send them come. Satan decides to want to bury a little bit deeper, but I say no. Because all one after him out in a second and done.